Righto, and yes, welcome back to Keep On Growing with Trevor and Nick. It's that time of year again. The seeds that you planted earlier are now all starting to come to life and they are needing a new home. So if you want to know how to repot your seedlings into bigger homes, then just follow us and you'll find out. Well, hi, well, welcome back to the greenhouse again. This is what you've got in your greenhouse. Your seedlings have grown and now it's time to move them on to something else. But to be able to do that, you need potting mix. A little bit different to the seed mix we've been using. To make potting mix, quite straightforward. All you need is a simple 2-to-1 ratio. One is the perlite, a volcanic rock that's been heated up and until it explodes and it turns into what looks like polystyrene, really, but it's not. It's perlite, so don't worry about it. Now then, the two is 2 measures of coir. Coir is a byproduct of the coconut plant. It's the coconuts, the shell from the outside, the husk with all the fluffy bits and everything. It's all been ground up, dried out and reconstituted. We do have a video on there for you to look at so you can see how to reconstitute your coir from a solid brick to a fluffy, almost like compost consistency. Now, your third ingredient is 2 compost, which a little earlier on I sieved before we... the job of sieving the compost, especially when it's sunny. It's a nice relaxing thing. Didn't get my cup of tea and the cat stayed away this time, so quite good. Anyway, back to potting mix. You take your 2 measures of coir, goes in there. You take your 2 measures of compost, goes in there, and your 1 measure of perlite, and that goes in there. Then, there we go, so you can see it, it's all there. Quite straightforward. All you do is you mix it nicely together and you end up with potting mix. The thing with potting mix is the perlite gives you drainage. The coir is a neutral product. It doesn't have any nutrients or anything else in it. It is just dead organic rock basically that's been exploded. But it just mixes up and it means that the compost becomes the nutrients. The coir bulks it out for you, and as we know in the other video, it replaced peat, and your plants then become bigger because you're putting this in here, and that's it really. So mix it all up nice and fluffy. I didn't have my gloves on. I've just remembered, no gloves. Oh dear, I've got dirty hands. I should have had them on. Never mind. That is something you'd all have to remember. If you're going to be mixing this stuff up on a regular basis, get yourself some latex gloves. Don't have to be blue. They're not fashion accessories, as I've said before. So There we go, all mixed up and looking good. Oh, thank you, Trevor. That was very nice of you. There you go, folks. Always have a cup of tea at the end of the video because Trevor's just been in again and dropped me one off. So,
Hi.
Hello. Nice sunny day. He's out in his shorts and t-shirt. Things are looking good. Summer's coming. So, there you go. All you have to remember is 2, 2, 1. 2 compost, 2 coir, and 1 perlite. And you end up with potting mix. Straightforward and nothing to worry about. Obviously, if you're going to be making lots and lots of it like we do, you times that 2, 2, 1 by however many you're going to need. So if you think to yourself, oh, I need about 10 times that, then it's 2, 2, 1 times 10, which then gives you 20, 20, 10. And that's it. You have lots and lots of it. If you have any left over, pop it in a plastic box and put the lid on, tuck it away, and then next time you're doing some potting on, you just get your box out. Already done. Don't end up with dirty hands. So, on behalf of everyone here, we'd like to say it's a lovely sunny day. So remember, thumbs up, like, comments. Very good. Helps us to help you. We can answer them for you. Also, answer all your questions for you. And also, the big expensive, it is not. It's the subscribe button. The subscribe button is important to us because it tells us you're wanting to have more videos. It doesn't cost you anything, and all you have to do is watch the video. We will then let you know when a new video comes out, and they will be coming out quite regularly now because things are moving on, as we've seen with the seedlings, and we've got more up here in little cells that need to go into bigger cells. We're also looking at sowing seeds and explaining a bit more about them. So there's going to be more things coming up. So remember, subscribe because it's important. And also, when you watch a video, watch it through to the end, because otherwise the algorithm on the computers at YouTube will say you came out of that halfway through, you obviously didn't like it, despite the fact that you might have clicked on like. You know what computers are. They do what they want to do and everyone else can go to hell. Right, so on behalf of everyone, we'd like to say thank you very much, and quick cup of tea before I go, and I'll start potting on in here and I'll leave you to do the same. So remember, keep on growing.